Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix FaceTime activation and error occurred during activation. Try again. So guys, when you try to activate FaceTime on your iPhone or iPad, and you will see this type of error again and again, I will show you how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all, you need to open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and if you are using mobile data, select 4G or 5G network on your device and scroll it down, click on general, check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And now guys, you need to scroll it down. From here, disconnect your VPN if connected, and after this scroll it down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings, and after this go back. So guys, after doing all these settings, you have to go back, scroll it down, click on screen time, and click on content and privacy restrictions, and you need to remove all the restrictions from here, and after this go back. So guys, after doing all these settings, you have to go back and turn on your FaceTime again and check that your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your Apple Sport app, select your gadget, scroll it down, click on more, and from here you need to find FaceTime, click on it, click on call, and you need to call at these numbers, and you have to tell your problem, and they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.